This video is on how to fix database connection errors with WordPress blogs. As you can see, this is specific to what you'll mean to fix error establishing the database connection problem. There are many solutions. One of them is to change the username and password for the database, and we shall do it through File Manager of Virtual Main. Open blog and open wp-config.php file for editing, and then go to where it says username and password and change the password and username. Let's first change the password. I'm removing the old one and putting the new password in, verifying it again, putting in the new password, and that's it. Just go through the whole file a little bit for no reason, and come back and test if it worked. It did not work. Let's go back to check. And File Manager, and the username is su_mu. When I did the video, I did not observe that. So I will open it in this video. I will open this again, but I miss the correct username. So open wp-config, wp-config.php, and go through. And the username here is su_mu, which I missed while doing the video. So for that reason, it did not work. So, but you know how to do this. Go to edit databases, get the username and password,